Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can block automatic downloads in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Opera browser on your device. Next, click into that Opera icon in the top left, navigate to settings, or use the shortcut Alt-P on your keyboard. In your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security on the left hand side. Click into site settings. Here scroll down and click into additional permissions. Expand this menu and here navigate to this button here to the right, automatic downloads. And then what you want to do is switch to don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. And what you want to do as well, guys, is, for example, if there's a specific website you would like to block from sending you these automatic downloads, you may do that by clicking into this button here and enter the URL address of the given website, clicking to add to block automatic downloads, as you can see from the website whenever you visit them. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.